Hello again. Here I am. I am about 8 hours out of surgery, of getting implants, full denture on the top, and I'm finally able to kind of function normally because um, the implants was successful, and I barely can talk. I barely can talk because I'm still swole, and I can feel like where it was stuck at. I can feel it, but it's not that bad. When I left, I got to the dentist office around 10:30, and I left about a little ahead of 5 p.m. And I will say that it wasn't during the procedure. I wasn't out. They gave me medicine or whatever um, to help with whatever they needed to do. But I didn't feel anything. And during the procedure, it wasn't even bad. It wasn't until when I was leaving the office then I couldn't feel like from here down. I couldn't feel anything. So it felt weird. I didn't know if my mouth was open or closed, and they wanted me to, oh, do you want to take a look? They told me to smile, and I'm like, I don't even know what I'm doing. I, I, if you tell me I'm smiling, I must be smiling. And everyone was happy, but I mean, I'm at the end of the day, I was happy as well. It's just it was the last thing in the back of my mind, and so but yeah, I mean, I just wanted to get home, start popping, I guess, hydrocodone that I had or whatever. Um, I started taking that, and I was just tired and was ready to do something that would take my mind off of the discomfort. I mean, I wasn't like really in pain, but I was uncomfortable as I don't know what, especially when I couldn't feel nothing, and I felt like I was drooling all the time. And as you can see, I'm still learning how to talk, and there is swelling. I mean, right around here, and then and right here is like some spots that are a little tender. But overall, I can't say it was a horrible experience. It was just a few hours of discomfort. I just not too long ago took two more hydrocodone, and that really seemed to really kickstart where I'm not feeling the pain, just light discomfort. So but overall I'm happy. I mean, um, they're really white, these. But they say eventually they're going to. These are just my intermediates. So I'm rocking these for a minute, and but overall I'm happy. I mean, here's my smile, pearly whites. I mean, I can't say I feel like I'm like 22. I mean, with when I look and I see like full set of teeth in my mouth, and but again, doctor dentist told me that I'll practice reading, read to your wife, read here, read this, just so you can start concentrating on the words that you may have trouble with. So we'll see how that goes. I'm off for the next 2 or 3 days. Um, I felt like if I really needed to go to work tomorrow, I I could, but I'm gonna be safe than sorry, And so I'll take these next 2 days to chill out and get used to things. And so the doctor told me that, soft and cold things are my best friends right now. Don't. He told me that anything that I can cut with a plastic knife is okay to eat. Pastas, but anything harder than that, he really don't want me trying to bite right now. I have to keep the full dentures in 48 hours before I take them out. And then that's when I'll clean it. I'll go back next week to see how check in on. He's gonna check things out. So overall, I'm happy. And I think as time goes on, I can talk way better than what I'm talking now, the better off I will feel. So, it's my smile. It's kind of weird though, trying to smile because it seems so fake. Because I have to do so much to try to do it. As far as using muscles, especially when I'm just so swole right now. Just up in here, it's just swole. So, but overall, I'm feeling good. I mean, I cannot even complain. Say it's worth it. Um, but we'll see. This is just day one. I mean, not even a full 24 hours. And I feel better. I will say it feels weird. Like I have some strange object in my mouth. And so that's going to take some getting used to. And because there is, like, I feel like a lot of saliva in my mouth, but the bleeding has stopped because for about an hour or 2 or 3 afterwards, it was like they gave me gauze, and I felt like I was keeping it in my mouth just so I can not be running around with a bloody mouth. So, so that's my update. As the days go on, I will check in and see how things are going and how I am liking it. So that's it for now. See ya.